So I'm going to show you how to adjust video speed or the speed of a video clip on your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. So go to your gallery and find that video first. Okay, so I'm going to find a video. Let's say it's this video right here. Okay, now once you find that video, what you need to do now is tap on edit, and then on the edit menu you should see speed. And let's say you want to reduce the speed, you can go to either half the speed, a quarter of the speed, or you can fasten it up by going twice or 4 times the speed. All right, so I want to go for a quarter of that speed. Tap on done, and you can see that video clip should be much slower. And then you can choose whether you want to save a copy if you like it, and that's going to save a new copy of that video with the new speed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.